Welcome to another episode of WWW Website of the Week every Wednesday, and in today's episode I'm going to feature a website in which you could generate all the types of agreements for your website. I've been building websites for more than 15 years, and one of the most tedious process to create on the website is agreements. Agreements that come in the form of terms of services, terms of use, privacy policy, disclaimers, etc. Not all websites are built the same, and not all businesses are built the same. Every business has their own set of guidelines and rules, and we need to inject this on to the templates, or we need to start from scratch in order to create these agreements for every website that I built. But now I am proud to say that I found a really great website which provides a solution with everything I need in terms of agreements. So let's head over termsfeed.com. So termsfeed.com is a website and a tool which generates any type of agreement that you require for a website. Termsfeed.com is a website tool which generates 8 types of agreements for your website. So it could generate a privacy policy, terms and conditions, EULA, which is end user license agreement, return refund, cookies policy, disclaimer, terms of service, terms of use. And if you open one of the generators, such as this privacy policy generator, it shows you that their templates comply with several laws and acts all around the world, just like this California Online Privacy Protection Act, the GDPR, CCPA, and many more. So enough with all this stuff. I want to show you exactly how these guys have made it easy for you to generate, let's say, a private policy. So let's open up the generator, and it's going to bring you to a page which will show you a bunch of options for you to fill out in order for them to generate your agreement. So in this case, in this privacy policy, we're going to click website. And if you'll need to create this for a mobile app as well, then you could pick app for $9. Let's go to the next step. You could fill in your website URL, put in your website name, also put in the entity type. So whether your website is a business or is it just a public figure or an individual. Of course, enter your country, hit next step. Then on the next page, you have the options to select what kind of information you collect from your website visitors. So let's say I want to pick the basic, which is an email, first name, phone number, and an address. And then it's going to ask if you use Google Analytics. Yes. Select the tools. Let's say no. Do you show ads? No. Can users pay for product services? Let's say no. No. Let's add the Google Places. It shows you if you want your privacy policy includes CCPA. And fairly, yes, if you want to abide by these laws, you're going to need to pay up to $29 in order for them to generate this type of template. And it's at the very end, you could choose whether to generate this by email or be sent to you by post. In short, termsfeed.com provides you with 8 types of generators to make it easier on you to create your agreements of your website. This will save time because it only requires a few minutes to create. It'll save you money because you don't need to hire any legal advisor or legal professional to come up with a user agreement for your website visitors. And most importantly, we all know that international laws on tech and on the internet evolve almost every day. And websites like terms.com are websites that put a focus on updating and being up to date with international laws around the world. I'd like to thank you for watching this episode. I hope this educates you on the topic on hand. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also that bell button to get notifications on the latest uploads I do every week. In the case you'll require a team or agency to build a website for you, don't forget to check out Mediafied.com. I have a bunch of web developers ready to build your website, and we offer the best plans and packages for every website need that you'll require.